guys, so as I promised you in my previous video, today I'll be showing you how I do my winged eyeliner, and without losing any time, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so there are hundreds of different ways that you can apply your eyeliner. I often try different techniques, and today I'm going to show you the one that I find that it's the easiest for me, and hopefully this will be helpful for you. Today I'll be using a liquid eyeliner. I prefer liquid over gel. It's just easier for me to work with it because it glides on easier and I can get sharper lines. And this is the Sigma Line Ace liquid eyeliner in black. But I'm not going to use this brush here. I'm actually going to use the Sigma E11 brush. As you can tell, it's much smaller and it has a thinner tip, and I just feel like I have more control over it. You can also use an angled brush. This is the Essence Precise eyeliner brush. I wanted to mention it because it's one of my favorite eyeliner brushes. It's very thin and it does a great job applying an eyeliner, and it's also super affordable. Okay, going back to the Sigma E11 brush, which is also a fantastic brush. It's just so easy to work with it. So I'm going to take out some of the product here on the back of my hand, like that. And I'm going to dip the Sigma E11 brush in it. Okay, so first I'm going to create a line starting from the lower lash line, and I'm dragging it up towards the tail of my eyebrow. And as I'm going higher, I'm just releasing the pressure, so it's becoming thinner towards the end. And I like to stop like somewhere here. Imagine that you're kind of extending your lower lash line. And before I continue with the next step, I like to do this on both of my eyes so I can make sure that the angle on the both sides is, the same. Next, I'm taking a little bit more product and I'm going to draw a straight line starting from here and not from here, so that I can have that thin end of the eyeliner. And I'm going to pull it all the way down to the lash line, kind of creating a triangle there. And then I'm going to make sure that there are no gaps in it. And lastly, I'm going to create a line starting from the very inner corner of my eye, taking it all the way along my lash line and connecting it with that triangle there. I like my eyeliner to be as thin as possible in the inner corner and gradually becoming thicker towards the end. And when you're doing this step, just take your time, do small strokes so you can see what you're doing and you have more control over it. And the chances to mess everything up this way are much less than just drawing a straight line and hoping for the best. The Sigma eyeliner is drying fast, so you have to be a little bit quicker when you're working with it, but I like it because there is no chance that it can smudge or it can transfer. So one quick tip here: if you're working with brush like this one, make sure that you're keeping it flat on your skin and you're applying your eyeliner this way. Don't point it like this and try to work with the tip of your brush. It's going to be very hard to do it this way, so just keeping it flat, doing small strokes, that's how you do it. And also something else, make sure that you're having your hand rested somewhere. For instance, I have a desk here and I'm placing my elbow on it. And I'm also resting my hand here on my face, so I'm having a very steady hand and it's not like just floating in the air. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video and you found it helpful. Just remember that practice makes perfect, so keep on trying. That's the best advice I can give you. The more you practice, the better you will be. That's how it works. And if you're still having troubles with your eyeliner, you can watch my previous video, which is a tutorial on the look including no eyeliner, which I really like because eyeliner can be quite intimidating sometimes, most of the times, and I think that I'm going to do more eyelinerless looks in the future. That's how I call them, eyelinerless. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on my Instagram and Facebook. I'm going to have the links down in the description box, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye!